Hey y'all, welcome to the SipBiteGo channel. If you're looking for an easy way to impress at your next backyard barbecue, or you just want a really yummy smoked dinner, these Traeger smoked split chicken breasts are juicy, flavorful, and only require 3 ingredients. So I'm going to show you how to grill these up. Stay tuned until the end to find out how to get that perfectly crisp skin. We're using the Traeger pellet grill today, so get yours ready, preheated at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. This recipe starts with only 3 ingredients. The first one are split chicken breasts. I like this cut of meat. It often goes on sale. There is a bone attached to it, but they really provide a lot of flavor, and the skin makes it even more flavorful. So you want to pat those chicken breasts dry with paper towels. Drizzle them all over. I used about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil between the 4 of them. Then you can rub on your favorite barbecue seasoning all over. You want to also massage that in for even coverage. And let the chicken sit at room temperature for 10 or 15 minutes while the pellet grill heats up to absorb those flavors. We're gonna go pop these in the smoker at 225. I have a little meter thermometer here. You can shop these in the Amazon SipBiteGo store. I have so many thermometers, cooking, grilling essentials for you, so go there. This is the meter thermometer. I am an ambassador for them. Don't forget that I have a ton of sides and desserts that you can serve with your smoked split chicken breast, all on the SipBiteGo YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe. This recipe is the best because it couldn't be any easier. You just place the split chicken breast on the smoker, the meaty side up, and smoke until they reach an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I don't want to confuse you because these chickens aren't done smoking until the internal temp of 165 degrees is reached. But the point here is once they hit 130, you raise the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and that allows you to finish them with crispy skin. So when you start off and you do the low and slow at the lower temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit, that's going to bring on the smoky flavor, make them nice and tender and juicy. And then when you crank it up at the end to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that is where you get that yummy, crispy skin that everybody is going for when they make some barbecue chicken. All right, let these puppies rest for 10 to 15 minutes so the juices get all locked in there. And then to serve them, slice off the part that is the bone on the bottom of the split chicken breast and then slice them into strips. Now, I just want to show you one of the dinners that we put together. I love making big meals, like do the meat on the smoker and then prepare something really easy and simple to go along with it for a weeknight meal. So here I was putting together a little bit like Greek-inspired salad with the split chicken breast. So I added some tomatoes, some thinly sliced white white onions, put on that smoked chicken, added some nice freshly cut blocks of feta cheese, sprinkled that to give it a little bit of flavor with some pepper. And then I prepared one of the dressings that you can find at SipBiteGo.com. Just a simple Greek one. There's lots of fresh herbs in there. So yummy. Make sure to print out new recipes at SipBiteGo.com and have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers.